Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on numbers 16 to 20. Students must be given plenty of opportunities to work with numbers greater than 10. They can be asked to trace the numbers from 16 to 20 and also to trace the words. So here are the exercises here, and they're very straightforward. And we also have the numbers 19 and 20. That's in the numerical form, and these are the words. You can give them many opportunities to do this, but they're just basic examples here. Students can be given exercises like the following. Draw 16 stars. So we have to check that they can actually count to 16, because that's the whole object of the exercise, and that will help them to understand what this number actually means. Draw 17 moons, very similar fashion. Draw 18 suns. Obviously you can ask them to colour these too, because they love colouring in. Draw 19 strawberries. And draw 20 marbles. This one here is a little bit different. They can draw one group containing 3 snakes, 4 rabbits, 5 pigs and 7 spiders, and then you can ask them to count all the objects to see how many there are in that group altogether. So we have to continue to give them opportunities to work with larger numbers, that is larger numbers than 10, because they are very, very important. We know they can work quite well with, the smaller numbers 2, 3, 4, etc., but they must have plenty of opportunities to work with these larger numbers. We must make sure they can count up to those numbers, and also they can count the number of objects involved.